There's my mama. There she goes. Oh, she's so fast. Oh, it's a good. Oh, your hips are at her head. Oh, that's really fast. Alright, coming into the touch. Wow. You're first. By like 2 seconds. He said Ellen Reynolds turning first is one of those swimmers to watch at 45 to 49. Yowza. You're so fast. Boop. Oh wow, you're like 4 seconds ahead of everybody now. Oh, wait. That's you.
Less than 50 to go, bringing it home.
He said Ellen Reynolds turning, less than 50 to go and bringing it home. Wow, you are so fast! Go, mommy! Go, 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 go. Oh, I hear grandma. Come on, mom. Wow, they're focusing all on you this whole time. Oh. Wow.
29.82. Unofficially just under the world record.
Oh my God.
Place all time on the T10 list in this event. Second place all time on the T10 list in this event.
Unofficially under the world record. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh.
The record and world record are the same in this event at a 2:26. Hers is the second fastest swim ever. Nice job.
Second fastest swim ever. Whoa. Ah, I love you. Oh, that's my mama. Oh, there's grandma. I see grandma. Wow. I think you just beat them all. No, I think you're going out the other side, though. Let's see if they say anything else. That's not my mama. Oh, Tessa. Love you.